Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable maintenance mode in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down, then go to device care. From here scroll down again, then go to maintenance mode. From here just tap on turn on and then tap on restart. Now just type your current pin or pattern, then tap on continue. Now the phone will take restart to enable maintenance mode. Normally this will take around 2 minutes. So just give it a moment. You can see the phone is taking restart. You can see the phone is switching to maintenance mode. And that's it. You can see the maintenance mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable maintenance mode, just swipe down and then just tap on tap here to exit. Then just tap on exit. Then tap on restart again. Then draw your current pin or pattern. Then tap on continue. Now the phone will take restart again to disable maintenance mode. So just give it a moment and the restart is complete. Now just unlock your phone and here it is. You can see maintenance mode has been disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable maintenance mode in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.